Hello everyone, I Rachna H. Kalapnavar, lecturer in Electrical and Electronic Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today in this video, I am going to cover overhead service main from the service main unit, which is included in electrical estimation and costing subject. For more videos, please do subscribe my Architect YouTube channel. First, we'll see what are the contents of today's video, what are the topics we are going to cover in this video. First, what are the types of service main and what are the specification of materials used in the overhead service mains. First, we'll discuss the types of service mains. Types of service main, two types of service main is one is the overhead service main and one more is the underground service main. So you can see in this image, this is the overhead service main. Overhead service main means the cable, whatever the service main is, from pole to the home. It is a visible like all the transmission and distribution lines. But one more is the underground service main. It is buried inside the ground. That is the underground cable we are using here. Just to do the comparison in the both the images. First is the overhead service main from pole to the meter board, and next is the underground cable which is from the pole to the meter board. Here we are using the digging the earth and laying the by direct laying method or some laying methods we are connecting this underground cable. So first in this we'll first discuss about the overhead service main. In the last class already we discussed what is a service main. The tapping of electricity from consumer pole to the electrical pole to the consumer side, that is transmission and distribution system will be there, but from pole to the our home how we are taking the connection, that distributor line is called as the service main from pole to the meter board, that is our consumer section. That is first one we discussed about the overhead service mains. For to connect that overhead service mains, what are the materials we require to install that and which specifications materials we require and all we'll discuss now. First we'll see this image. In this you can see the how the overhead service main is constructed. This is the electrical pole and this is home and this is the meter board. From pole to the meter board how the connection is given, that we'll see now. So first we'll see the what are the materials are required to install the overhead service main. First is brake insulators, which is this brake insulator. Two brake insulators are there. Next is the GI messenger wire. Second, this line wire, GI messenger wire. Third, PVC double sheath cable. These are the cables which is running over here. Next, 4 is the reel insulators. See here, insulator section, this one, reel insulators. Next, GI support pipe. See, this is the GI support pipe. Next is meter board, 6th one. 7th one is pole. 8th one is service pipe. This is the PVC service pipe. And 9th is the clamps. See, these are all the materials we required to install the overhead service main. In this, you can see this messenger wire. This is the topmost wire and which will take the mechanical load. Is called as this is a messenger wire. See, PVC double sheet cable directly you can't connect. To hold that load, we are using the one messenger wire here. And this messenger wire is tied to the supporting pipe, one side to the pole and other side to this service pipe. And this messenger wire and also the PVC sheathed cable, if it is a single phase section, single phase supply, one phase and one neutral, how it is suspended to this messenger wire? This is through reel insulators. This messenger wires and the PVC sheath cable is suspended. Suppose if it is reel insulators are not there, then it both will be, the distance will be not there for the PVC sheet cable also and for the messenger wire also. So through the reel insulator, these are the wires are suspended, and this is a cables are taken to the meter board through this service pipe. So you can see this service pipe, the meter is taken, the cable is taken to the meter board through the service pipe, and this service pipe is fixed to this support pipe by these clamps. So this is about the our overhead service main section. So these are the brake insulators both the side. So overhead service main. Now we'll see, we got to know about the what are the materials we are using, but how much specification? I told that PVC aluminum sheet cable we require, but again, depending on the current rating, we require the 1.5, 2.5 square mm sizes will be differing according to our current requirement. So, how much is the cable required and how much is the service pipe is required? Same service pipe will be not there, diameter will be changing. Again, support pipe we are using a galvanized iron pipe. How much is that specification? We'll see now. So, one by one we'll discuss all the specification of these materials whichever we are using in the overhead service main. So next is the specification of materials used in the service main. First, the messenger wire, that topmost wire, where there it is a 10 SWG standard wire gauge. SWG means standard wire gauge, SWG GI wire, galvanized iron wire. Next, we'll be using the support pipe. Support pipe is of how much? 40 mm diameter and the 2.95 mm thickness and 1.8 meter long for the single phase. If it is a single phase supply is there, we are using the 40 mm diameter, and for if it is a three phase is there, we are using the 50 mm diameter and 2.95 mm thickness and length also 1.8 meter only for the three phase. Support pipe we are using the GI pipe here. Next is a service pipe. Service pipe is of the PVC pipe which is having a 2 mm thickness and diameter is changing according to the size and number of cables, and along with that 3 bends of service pipe, that is a PVC pipes we are using with the 3 bends. Next, brake insulators, 1.1 kV brake insulators we are using. Next, service cable, that is a PVC sheet aluminum cable we are using for the service main, we are aluminum cable, and I told that depending on the current rating the size of the cable size is changes. So that is calculated by I is equal to P by V. P is the how much we are connecting the load. It may be 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt like that, and divided by supply voltage, that is I is equal to P by V, 230 voltage supply voltage. In that we will be getting the current, and after that current we will be using some factor of safety precautions while solving the problem. Once again I'll explain this. In that into 2 if you do, how much is that wire table will be seeing according to that 1.5 square mm, 2.5 square mm, 4 square mm and 6 square mm aluminum cable is required. So service cable we are using here, aluminum cable. Next we'll see about the meter board. So meter board is a specification board. Meter board for the energy meter, which is the energy meter. Why we are using? How much is the consumption of electrical energy? For that we need the energy meter. But to fix that one board we require that T-code meter board will be there. If it is a single phase, it is a 300 into 300 into 65 mm meter board. If it is a three phase, is there 500 into 500 into 65 mm for the three phase. Next, for everything earthing is required. As usual, we are using earthing as a GI pipe, using the GI pipe of 30 mm diameter GI pipe, 3 mm thickness and 2.5 meter long, and 12.5 mm holes are drilled at 300 mm distance. And for the earthing wire which we are using for the earthing wire is a 8 SWG galvanized iron wire. GI wire you are using for the earthing wire. Next is a fuse unit we require. Here we are using the two fuse units, and which material it is made up of means it is a porcelain fuse unit we are using according to the current rating and voltage different according to the rating. After calculating the current will be getting the how much is the rating of that fuses. So porcelain fuse unit are required, and depending on the current and voltage. And see all these material specification again you'll be better understanding by solving one problem on this. So in the next class I'm going to solve the problem on this overhead service main. That again you will be getting to know how you will be writing the materials for that, how much is the cost for that. Thank you.